Hello, this is Robin with Cheetah Stand. I'm here to talk to you today about our three-wheel caster set. This caster set is designed to work with the Cheetah boom and the Cheetah background stand. The Cheetah boom requires one set of 3 casters. The background stand will take 2 sets of 3 casters. So let's look at how to install these and how they work. Okay, now we're looking at the legs of our Cheetah boom. If you look closely, you can see a small hole right here. This hole is important. The shim that goes with the caster has a little pin, and to make sure everything locks in place well, what you need to do is first insert the shim with the pin in that hole. Now we recommend taking a bit of tape and locking this shim into place. Makes it easier to install, and you're less likely to lose the shim. We do not sell replacements for these, so unfortunately if you lose one, you're kind of out of luck. So first of all, make sure and open this thumb screw on here until the screw is not showing at all. Then take and slide the caster over the leg and the shim like this, and make sure to slide it all the way up until it locks into place. Then tighten it down nicely. You'll want to check this and make sure on a regular basis that it's locked, because if this becomes loose, then the caster can fall off the leg. Now, these casters lock. So just by pushing down here, you lock the caster. That locks the turning of the wheel. It also locks the spin of the caster, so it's locked in place completely. To unlock it, just pop it loose and you're ready to move. Well, thanks for listening. Have a great day from Cheetah Stand.